Myself, Siva Kumar. I'm a volunteer retired person from CISF Fire Wing. Today I'm here for attending CII program. Today's agenda is hazard identification and risk mitigation in chemical and pharma sectors. By conducting hazard identification sessions and risk assessment programs in industries, we can mitigate the risk level at acceptable level. So I request all employers to take this as a privilege to conduct audits, inspections, and hazard identification and risk assessments as per following IS code of practices, so that every industry can meet statutory requirements and as well as to protect the employees' lives. By introducing policies, by introducing procedures, and by introducing trainings and awareness sessions uh, to educate all employees and to safeguard all machinery within the premises, uh, they can easily achieve their business goals and other targets. Prolonged sitting leads to ergonomic diseases like work-related upper limb disorders, musculoskeletal disorders. So, all workstations should be ergonomically designed to comfort with the work and as well as employees' convenience, so that we can easily avoid ergonomical diseases. Coming to occupational health and safety and fire safety, fire is an integral part of occupational health and safety. Coming to safety, it's a collective work from top to bottom, employer to employee. Whatever the facilities with respect to fire safety or occupational health and safety provided by the employee should follow without causing any damage to the equipment. That's all.